So hello guys, so this is Teacher Ruel. So I'm here to discuss yung multiplication and division of integers. So let's get started. Pagdating naman kay multiplication and division of integers, ang rule niya pareho lang. Okay? So first rule, pag like yung sign niya, ang sagot dapat niya ang sign ay positive. Yun lang kailangan yung tingnan dyan. Pero pag different sign naman siya, ang sign naman niya negative. So ganun lang siya kabilis. So example number 1, apply sign. For example, negative 3 multiply kay negative 5. Structure-wise, yung number naka-parentheses. Okay? Understood na ang question na yan, it's multiplication. So, parehong negative. That's why, expect na ang sagot na yan, positive dapat. Kasi like sign. Usual na multiplication lang. So, 3 times 5, that's 15. So, ang sagot is positive 15. Another example, we have negative, gawin natin itong positive 4 and positive 2. Usual multiplication, we have 8, like sign, that's why positive 8 siya. Okay? Another example sa different sign naman, so we have negative 2 multiply by negative 7, for example. Positive. So, recap ko lang. So, we have negative 2 and positive 7. So, under to ng different sign. Usual na multiplication lang. So, that's 2 times 7, that's 14. Since we have negative and positive, automatic negative ang sagot pag may multiply yan. Okay? Let's have another example. Number 2. We have positive 3. I-multiply lang natin by negative 8. So, 3 times 8, usual multiplication, that's 24. And different sign, that's why it's negative. Okay? So, recap tayo on the rules. So, pag like sign, for example, pag positive, multiply by a positive, ang sagot ay positive. Negative, multiply by a negative, ang sagot ay positive. Positive, multiply by a negative, ang sagot is negative. Negative, multiply by a positive, ang sagot is negative. Okay? So, yan in general. Okay? Another case of question, maka-encounter kayo ng ganito. So, a special case, let's say number 3. Yan. Sa part na to, na kinulayan ko ng yellow, understood na may negative 1 dyan, hindi lang nakalagay. So, eventually, negative 1 times negative 5 yan. Pero, since pareho lang naman ang sagot, 5 pa rin, pwede siyang i-shortcut na lang. So, negative times negative, ang sagot magiging positive. So, eventually, magiging positive 5 lang to. Under the same rules of the multiplication. Another example. So, maka-encounter kayo ng ganitong question. So, positive times negative, that's negative. So, in short, pwede nyo i-write yan as negative 3. Pagdating sa division naman, same rule lang din. Okay, so for example, we have negative 12 divided by negative 4. So, as we divide that in same sign, so magiging positive yan. Usual dividing lang, by the way. So, 12 divided by 4, that's 3. So, ang final answer will be positive 3. Another example. We have negative 10 divided by positive 5, for example. So, we have usual division lang, 20 divided by 5, that's 4. And that's different sign, that's why the answer is negative. So, negative 4. By the way, pwede kasi yung idea walang parentheses yung question, okay? So, pwede rin sila magtanong ng ganito. So, understood na pag walang symbol, it's positive, by the way. So, we have negative 10 divided by 5. That's negative 2. Okay? So, same lang din ang rules pagdating sa dividing and multiplying. Okay? So, let's do a recap. So, pag like sign, it's positive ang sagot. Pag different sign, it's negative. So, I guess that's all for today. And kailangan natin to on the next question. So, that's why mag-practice mabuti. Okay? See you on the next video. Bye!